How 3D printing is revolutionizing mechanical engineering. Future of manufacturing. The power of 3D printing. Imagine a world where engineers can create complex mechanical parts in just a few hours instead of weeks. A world where aircraft components, car engines, and even human organs are 3D printed. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now. In today's video, we'll explore how 3D printing is revolutionizing mechanical engineering and shaping the future of manufacturing. What is 3D printing? But what exactly is 3D printing? Also known as additive manufacturing, it's a process where material is deposited layer by layer to form an object. Unlike traditional manufacturing, which involves cutting away excess material, 3D printing builds objects from the ground up. This saves material, reduces costs, and accelerates production time. How mechanical engineers use 3D printing. Mechanical engineers are using 3D printing in groundbreaking ways. Let's look at some real-world applications. First, prototyping. Before launching a final product, engineers need to test designs. 3D printing allows them to create prototypes quickly, make improvements, and avoid expensive mistakes. Second, aerospace and automotive. Companies like Boeing and Tesla use 3D printing to manufacture lightweight, high-strength parts. These components reduce weight and improve fuel efficiency. Third, the medical industry. Did you know that scientists are now printing artificial bones and even organs? With bioprinting, the medical field is closer than ever to 3D printed transplants. The future of 3D printing. 3D printing is evolving fast. Here's what's coming next. First, metal 3D printing. Soon, entire car frames and even bridges will be 3D printed with durable metals. This will revolutionize the way mechanical structures are built. Second, AI-driven 3D printing. Imagine a 3D printer that can correct its own mistakes, optimize material usage, and improve designs automatically. AI is taking 3D printing to the next level. Third, 3D printed houses and factories. In some countries, 3D printed houses are already a reality. Using a combination of concrete printing and automation, buildings can now be constructed in days instead of months.